Hello, it's Angeline here. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how I created this golden floral background with Unity stamp. So I've already stamped and colored this awesome chart from the Bountiful Haul kit with some Copic markers, and I'm grabbing the floral background stamp from the Obsessed with Floral kit, which is so huge. Just take a look at that. It fits right onto my A2 card. And I'm grabbing some super fine detailed embossing powder from Ranger along with my Versamark ink. So I'm inking the entire stamp up here with the Versamark, and instead of stamping onto the card, I'm grabbing my card and placing it directly onto the stamp, just rubbing it in to make sure all the ink gets onto my card. Then grabbing the embossing powder and just sprinkling it on to my card, and just check out how pretty it turned out to be. Then I'm grabbing my Ranger heat gun to just heat up the embossing powder and just waiting for the magic to happen here. I love this background stamp because it is huge enough to fit the entire card, and it's great to make your own pattern paper here. So next I'm going to pop up the truck with some foam adhesive tape, and that's it. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!